Hi there, this is a quick tutorial on how to go about setting up Zoom for your first time. This is going to work especially if some of you are having some trouble today. So you're going to come down to the bottom section of your Chromebook and you're going to want to click on this little dot on the left-hand bottom side that says Launcher. When you click there, it's going to call up this screen. You're going to go to this white bar that says Search Your Device and you're going to type in Zoom. When you do, you'll click the icon that has the camera inside the little blue circle. You'll click on that. It'll call up the Zoom app. That's a good thing. You're not going to join meetings here. Instead, you're going to come over to sign in. It's going to be really tempting to enter your email and password here. Please don't. That would be a mistake. Instead, you're going to click Sign In with Google. And when you do that, it'll call up this window here, and this is where you'll enter your email. And when you hit Next, you'll be able to put in your password, and that'll initialize your Zoom. Hopefully that'll work out. Thank you very much, and we hope you have a great school year, everybody. Bye-bye, and as always, go Tigers.